weekly MACD is about to be crossing bearish for Bitcoin, and while this is happening, the volatility has been extremely low for Bitcoin, and right now we are trading in a crucial moment in the market, and we will be watching whether we're going to confirm the continuation of the downtrend or whether we're going to confirm the continuation of the uptrend. I will be exactly talk about this and much more important stuff, so don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. Can we smash it back above 500 likes? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. Once looking at the imminent short term, we can see that basically over the course of the past approximately 1 day and 9 hours, Bitcoin has been ranging between an approximately $150. So the volatility has been extremely low for the past 1.5 days, and currently we're entering the weekend, and usually over the course of the weekend you tend to see even lower volatility. So I am expecting that there's probably not going to be a lot of things happening over the course of the weekend. However, the longer Bitcoin is going to consolidate sideways, the bigger the move eventually is going to be. And the move that we will be looking at is of course either the symmetrical triangle right here, but I am expecting, if I'm looking at this pattern, to see a breakout happening within a coming day and 12 hours. But of course, in 1 day and 12 hours, it's still weekend, so potentially we're not going to see the breakout happening by then. And of course, usually breakouts over the course of the weekend tend to be fake outs. So I will be not looking to trade this breakout if it will be occurring over the course of the weekend. If we will be managing to stay in the pattern and break out on the Monday, yes, I will be definitely traded. So I just have to wait and see how this pattern is exactly going to be playing out for Bitcoin. But on the 1 hour time frame, I am looking for a continuation of either trends here. Whether we're going to confirm, of course, the bullish trend here and continue with higher highs, or whether we're going to confirm the bearish trend here and continue with lower lows. So for me to really say, okay, this is the direction we're heading towards, I really need to see, of course, either a break above that previous high in the market to confirm and say, right now we're in an uptrend, or either I need to see, of course, a break below that previous low in the market to confirm, okay, right now the uptrend got broken and we are going to continue downward. So that is currently what I'm looking at here. I'm looking to predict the next move, and we just have to be a little bit more cautious and a little bit more patient to really see what is going to go on here for Bitcoin. So we'll be waiting for that. Of course, Bitcoin is currently trading against this very critical level of previous support. This level provided very significant support, and right now it is acting as resistance. So yeah, if Bitcoin really wants to be flipping bullish and continue the trend towards the upside, we need to break above 27.5k, what is of course also the previous high on the market right here. I am very curious if we could even break above this level, and personally I'm not really expecting we're going to do so, because yes, it doesn't really look all too strong for Bitcoin right now. Further on, we can see that we still had that head and shoulders breakdown, and the price target of this trading pattern is somewhere around $24,000 to $25,000, what is also massive support on the daily and weekly time frame for Bitcoin. So yeah, I will be still aiming for those targets. At the same time, I'm still, of course, in a short position on Bitcoin, making an approximately $1,600. So I will be for the lookout on that one as well. Furthermore, I will be opening up a $1 million Bitcoin long position here, but I will be doing so once Bitcoin comes down to $25,000 to $24,000. I've been saying it ever since we hit 31k that we were bearish, and you can clearly see Bitcoin is coming down. Of course, I am buying more of my spot position every single day, but once Bitcoin comes down to $24,000 to $25,000, I'm going to be opening up a gigantic long position here on my channel. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel right now to stay up to date on that exact position right here. And if you're interested in trading yourself, you could right now set up an account here on Bybit or BitGet in the link in the description, and you can also claim, of course, an additional deposit bonus up to $50,000 if you use the links in the description right now. So don't forget to check it out right here, and if you're interested in trading, make sure to use the link, because without the link it's only a $1,000 deposit bonus, so it's definitely a win-win scenario. Further on, we can see that Bitcoin clearly broke down on the daily time frame, and on the weekly time frame we're about to be having a bearish crossover happening on the MACD. The MACD will be probably cross bearish on the next weekly candle open, and this is basically the first time ever in an approximately 280 days here. We can also see the last time the Bitcoin basically crossed bearish was here on the 11th of April, and that was basically the signal that we were about to be having a gigantic bearish movement towards the downside. So please make sure to take these signals very, very seriously. Of course, I'm not saying that we're going to go down to $15,000 again from here on, but if we do see a bearish MACD cross, it is telling us something clearly about the momentum shifting for Bitcoin. And yet what it basically is here is that Bitcoin moves in cycles. We have right now been in a weekly uptrend, and the weekly cycle could maybe start to turn down here. We've been trading in a daily downtrend right now for a bit here. We've been trading in a daily uptrend before, and if I'm looking at the imminent short term as well, we're trading in a downtrend right now clearly. I am very much aware is that while we are creating these patterns here, we are potentially creating a gigantic falling wedge for Bitcoin. And if this falling wedge tends to be breaking out towards the upside, it could be definitely very bullish for Bitcoin. So I'm going to keep my eyes wide open on this pattern as well. But in order for falling wedge to be breaking out towards the upside, we need to see a confirmation of the downtrend getting broken. So that is why we'll be looking at the downtrend. As soon as we do break the downtrend, I'm expecting a relief bounce here. The bounce could either be to $28,000, but maybe also even to $30,000. So I will keep you guys up to date about that. So once we do break the downtrend here, I will give you guys an update on the YouTube channel and also my Twitter page. So don't forget to follow me across all socials. But that was it for me in today's update video. I truly hope you did enjoy it. If you did like it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.